Hi. Today I am going to teach you how to make chocolate brownies. We need unsalted butter 200 grams. Dark chocolate 200 grams. Large eggs 3 numbers. Sugar 180 grams. All-purpose flour, sifted 150 grams. Baking powder 2 grams. Mixed nuts 50 grams. Preheat your oven to 180 Celsius. Baking tray with grease-proof paper set aside. Combine the butter and chocolate in a medium saucepan and stir over medium heat until the chocolate and butter have melted. Put the eggs and sugar in the bowl of your stand mixer. Beat the eggs until very fluffy and pale yellow, about 15 minutes on medium-high speed. To test that it has been beaten enough, let some of the mixture fall into the bowl. If it remains sitting on top, that means that it's ready. When chocolate mixture ready, put on top of the egg mixture, and mix a little at a time, and fold it gently with a spatula, from bottom to top. Sift together flour and baking powder. Mix with chopped mixed nuts. Add to mixture alternately a little at a time. Mix together until everything is well incorporated. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Bake at 170 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Until bake well. Remove the brownies from the oven, let it cool for the other minutes. Thank you for watching this video. See you with another video.